Welcome to this video. I'm so excited to share this with you. Seller paid me $8 for my 15-page PDF which I created. Very easy. I created it in less than 48 hours and I made $8. In today's video, I want to share with you the process. I want to share with you the step-by-step process of how you can also do the same. Now, for you to be able to make money through this method, you must have value that you want to share. You must be able to sell something that solves a problem, especially your knowledge. What we are doing here is that we are selling information. So probably the information can be an information that helps people to become better in life, or helps people to achieve their goal, or helps people to solve a particular problem. And that's basically the basics of this video. So if this is your first time of coming onto this channel, you're welcome. I'm very excited to have you. Please make sure that you like this video, make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you turn on your notification bell so you won't miss whenever I share values like this. On this channel, we talk about how you can do stuff online, how you can make money for yourself. So quickly, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you turn on your notification bell. Now let's go straight to talking about how I made this $8 from selling a simple PDF page on Seller or online. Okay, now first of all, the first step I took was to create the product. But before I created the product, I had to do a research. All right, now I had to do a research. Now if you look at this now, you will see that the name of the PDF, which is an ebook, is called WhatsApp Marketing Pro Secret. Now I found out that a lot of people are having struggles with selling on WhatsApp, and I've been selling on WhatsApp. I've been selling through my WhatsApp, so I know a secret that a lot of people don't know. So I had to create a quick 15-page ebook that shows people step by step how they can position themselves so you can sell on WhatsApp. And that's how I packaged this 15-page PDF and started selling it online using Seller. So first step, number one step, is for you to have a solution. All right, have a solution that you want to share with people. That solution can be anything. It can be how to lose weight, how to gain weight, how to travel abroad to a certain country, how to do visa, how to make money online through video editing. It can be anything that solves people's problem. That's number one. Number one is for you to have value that you want to share. Okay, number two is for you to go to a platform where you can create the product. All right, it's very easy. There are three ways you can create the product. You can use AI tools to create the product, or you can create the product by yourself. All right, now let me quickly show you. Let's leave this place. Let me quickly show you the AI tool that you can use. But before I do that, let me mention the three methods. Number one, you can create it by yourself. Number two, you can use AI to create it. Number three, you can get what we call PLRs. Yeah, PLRs are just free ebooks that are online. Anything you basically need is online. If you are very smart, if you know how to research, if you're very smart and you know how to research, you can get free ebooks that you can resell. You can download it, edit it, and resell it and make a lot of money for yourself. Now let me show you the tool that you can use to create your ebooks, especially if you want to be using AI tool. If you are lazy like me and you don't want to create from scratch, you can use your AI tools. Let me show you the AI tool that you can use. All right, now this is let me see. Yeah, this is the AI tool that we use. Are you seeing this now? There are many other AI tools you can be using, but this is one of the AI tools that you can use. You can download it from your Google Play Store. Now let me click on it so that you can see. I think I need to put on my data. Yes, I need to put on my data. Good. So this is the AI tool. All right, so you can come here and type whatever you want to type and create your ebooks, but I'll not be doing that in this video. If you want to learn exactly how you can do it, I will drop a link in the description, or probably go to the comment section and drop a message for me. All right, drop the word ebook. Let me know that you are seeing this. Drop the word ebook. Let me know that you are interested in this. All right, so this is the tool that we use. This is the dashboard. This is what it looks like. Okay, so let me show you. So you can see these are different works I've been doing using these tools. Are you seeing now? So this is a very powerful tool that can help you make your work extremely easy. Okay, make your work less stressful. For those who don't know this, they will keep struggling and keep stressing and keep brainstorming, but through this tool you can make your work very simple. Okay, I won't go into making the ebook using this. I won't go into how you should be using these tools, but if you want to really learn exactly how we do it, just go to the link in the description. I'll drop it there for you. All right, now let's continue. First thing is that we find out a value that we can give to people. All right, number two is we go ahead and create the product. All right, number three is for you to package the product. All right, let's say for instance you have come here, you have created your content. What do you do next? The next thing is for you to package it into a PDF. All right, there's a process of how to do that. You don't want to just send articles to people. You don't want to just send text to people. You want to make sure that your book has a cover. All right, you want to make sure there's a design for your ebook. Are you getting now? So you have to make sure all those things are very well organized. As you can see here, this is what a cover looks like. All right, this is what your ebook cover looks like. This is just an example of one of the ebooks I've created. I've been doing it several times, so this is one example of what your cover will look like. So after you finish packaging the ebook, the next thing you will do is to host it on a selling platform. There are different selling platforms. Let me show you one of them that I use, which is the one you know as Seller. Okay, let me show you. Okay, let me show you. So basically, Seller is just a marketplace where you can actually sell your digital. But as you can see now, this is my own dashboard. This is one of my products. Let me just take you to my dashboard so you can see. I want you to see my dashboard. Okay, so this is what Seller dashboard looks like when you've signed in. Okay, so for you to sign in, basically you just go to seller.com. all right, you go to seller.com, you sign up, and then once you sign up, you have access to create your digital product, to upload your digital product. But this is not just something anybody can do as a beginner. Yeah, it's easy to do, but if you don't know the step-by-step process of how to do it, you keep struggling and you keep failing and doing and failing and trying and failing and trying. But that is why I have created a guide, a step-by-step video guide that will show you exactly what you should be doing so that you won't make mistakes. Okay, I started without anybody showing me all these things, but for your case, why should you do the same? All right, you can make your work less stressful if you have someone to show you what you need to do. So this is Seller. You come here and upload your product. As you can see right here, I have 17 products all together. All right, so once you upload the products on this platform, the next thing to do is to start promoting it. All right, now one of the problems I see, one of the things I see with newbies, beginners, is that they just pick their link and they start sharing it everywhere. That's not the way to sell. That's a wrong way to sell. But if you go to the link in the description and check the link that I dropped there for my step-by-step video guide, all right, once you get it, in that guide I talked about how you can actually promote your work, the best way for you to promote your PDF, your ebook, all right, which is what most first timers don't really know. So they just go ahead and keep sharing link, and at the end of the day, nobody's buying from them. So that is not the best way to go. So what you can do is to go to the link in the description, check for the link there, check for that resource and get it. Okay, so that is the next step. This step is for you to promote. All right, And when you promote, you can keep selling and making your money. And when you make your money, you can even earn in different currencies. That's why you can see here, I'm trying to load this up right now. Let's just wait. Good. That's why you can see these $8. You can earn in different currencies, and that's why I like to use Seller when I'm selling. All right, so that is my steps that I use whenever I'm trying to make sales for my digital product. All right, I just decided to show you this video and show you that it is real. You can actually make money by selling your knowledge online. I believe you got value from this. If you got value from this video, please make sure that you like, make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss whenever I share content like this. Now, if you are interested in learning how you can actually sell your knowledge, whatever you know that can solve people's problem, and you know that people really want those things, and you want to learn how you can package it as an ebook to sell it online, what you should do right now is simple. Go to the link in the description. I'll also pin it to my comment section. Go there, check for the resource. Right now, it is not free. Let me clearly state it. It is not free. It's for those who are really ready and serious. Okay, it is not free. So once you go there, click on it, you are going to be taken to where you see more details about how you can get access to that resource. All right, that's all for this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.